Can you see yourself in the 2020 Hyundai Palisade? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, 3rd-row seat. Get the style and performance you want and the space you need in this distinctive Palisade. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.